Fast ways to raise your credit score, Beginner's Guide. If your credit score is low, you can improve it quickly by understanding the rules it follows. A credit score predicts the likelihood you'll repay borrowed money and is based on past behavior, not income or intelligence. Lenders use it to set approval and rates. 5 factors drive most scores. First, payment history, pay every bill on time. Late payments, collections, and charge-offs damage scores most, so consistent on-time payments matter above all. Second, credit utilization, the portion of your available credit you're using. Aim to keep balances below 30% of each card's limit for faster results. Third, reduce high balances strategically. Paying down large card balances can produce noticeable gains within 1 or 2 billing cycles. Fourth, correct errors on your credit reports. Many reports contain mistakes, wrong balances, outdated accounts, or unfamiliar debts. Disputing inaccuracies can raise your score quickly if negatives are removed. Fifth, add positive activity, secured cards, credit builder loans, or becoming an authorized user on a well-managed account can help a thin file, but use these tools responsibly. What not to do: closing old accounts can lower your score by shrinking available credit, applying for many new accounts at once can hurt, and paying collections doesn't always update reporting immediately. Confirm how the collector reports before paying. There are no quick hacks. Improvements follow consistent, lower risk behavior, on-time payments, lower balances, accurate reports, and measured use of credit products. Credit scores respond faster to changes that reduce lender risk. Small, consistent actions compound into momentum. Bad credit is not permanent. Align your behavior with the scoring rules and progress becomes predictable. Now take the first step: check your reports, correct errors, lower high balances, and make every payment on time.